Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 4. Today we're starting at a Cars and Coffee. So yeah, I just got back, eating some food and drinking some coffee. And then we have this manual V10 FSI, gated manual actually, V10. Not bad. I don't think there's much new, but I'll just go over everything again, just in case. I just saw a Mopar leave. Mopar Charger leave. So 71. That's pretty much all I saw coming. But yeah, I don't know because I don't know if you guys saw the footage of me going around that, because I think it might have been corrupted because my phone had to update and the update happened while I was recording, and I didn't realize that until I looked down and it said ready for a software update. I'm like, oh, great. Just great. And we have 3 police interceptors here today. We have this one right here. We have 2 all the way over there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's 2 in that general direction. And then there's security. And yet no one here ever has done a burnout or rev their engine or anything like that. For that matter, at least. They do the ooh. Yeah, I saw this pull up as soon as I left. I'm like, this isn't bad, is it? 718 Cayman S. What, is this a 360? This looks like a 360. Check the dash. I'm saying, let's check the dash. 360 Modena. I knew it was 360, but it's a 360 Modena. That's actually pretty awesome. You can tell by the little things right there compared to the F430 has like a huge gap right there. The S2 at the front plate. It's a nice horn. Oh, and there's also a 458. Man, this is awesome. So yeah, you guys saw this coming in, but look at it here right now. That is pretty awesome. Let's take a look at that engine. Man, look at that.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a guy to take a picture.
Wow, that's awesome. And then there's the 458. I believe this is an Italia. I believe this is an Italia. I just get the Washman. I think it's called. Oh. And I'll just wipe it. It keeps turning around. See, I have like a car for the tops of the car and then another one. It's awesome. Can I get the rear bumper in the pic? There you go.
So I don't ever mix them,
Ooh, look at that. I can't actually see it, but I can see it on the camera because it's so bright. It's pretty low. Got that one over there. Zoom like that is both a gift and a curse, because it can be really easy to zoom in, but zooming out is incredibly hard. What is this? That's a Mercedes, obviously. 6.3 liter AMG, obviously. Is this C-Class? Yep, C-Class. Not bad though, that's really not bad. Looks a lot more dark in person, actually. It's pretty light on film for some reason. It looks a lot darker than that. Wow. Not bad. Not bad for today. Oh, there got some caps over there. I guess you could give the benefit of the doubt and say that they're trying to protect us, but you know, they're just trying to ruin the fun in reality. That's a pretty nice GTR. Yes, I do not know what's up with this. I really like the interior color though. Red bolstered interior. Manual.
You know how many cars I could get for 30 grand? I couldn't get it. I bet you.
Oh, the old one's leaving. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna have more than enough footage for today, I'll tell you that. No more. I really do like the carbon on these. It's pretty cool. Huh. I definitely gotta get the GT40 leaving. But now, since we do have everything, I feel like it'd be pretty appropriate to do another POV. No, you never can have too many POVs. It's just pretty cool. Alright, so yeah, I'll start the POVs. Alright, here we go. Here we go. POV. I almost forgot. There's a Julia, I believe that's how you call it. You say it now? I looked it up. Apparently it is Julia. I got a fun fact to share with y'all. It's actually a really fun fact. And it has to do with the 458. I think it was This thing has been on the entire morning. It's probably gonna waste all of its fuel. Eventually be out. Oh, sorry. I didn't see that. I'm just trying to vlog. Not too much power. Yeah, I like the look though. He tried. Ooh. I heard that. See that thing right there? That not so beautiful thing right there? Yeah. I gotta tell y'all something about it. So, this thing happens to have a V6 engine. Obviously not made by Alfa Romeo. Quattrofole. And what's so cool about it is it actually has a 458 engine in it. Minus 2 cylinders, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last 2 are gone. They cut it off, so it's a 6-cylinder V6 now. And like, it sounds okay. It still could use the extra 2 cylinders though. It'd make it sound a lot better. Kind of like how there's the V10 M5 here. The Huracan engine. Actually, it's right there. Oh no, it's leaving. Here. That one. We got another V10 in here. Here we go. Do a pull. Do a pull. Oh, I hear it. I can barely hear it though. Man, that sucks. Wanted to hear it. Please do something. Nothing. You got nothing. Look at this Pontiac. Pretty nice Pontiac. Discontinued though. So, nothing too extravagant. Apparently, I was just told this is the best car. It's a Gremlin. It's not a bad Gremlin. Oh wow, I heard crackle. It's a nice Gremlin. Yeah, you don't see these. Ultimate sleeper car. Just look at the difference. You know, maybe 100, 300. Yeah, this is definitely a drag car. Oh my god, it's awesome.
Mathematically, yeah. It's never been dyno. It's in the upper. It's in the way upper floors.
Apparently, it has 500 horsepower in a Gremlin. So yeah, it's probably not slow. Probably not slow. Oh, Doge. Please, Doge. Doge, please. Thank you. So now that there's no huge crowd, might as well look at the thing. Look at these. Those are meant only for track use. Definitely only for track use. Roush V8. K&N top heads. Oh, look at that exhaust. Pretty awesome. Look at that massive suspension. That's just a complete work of art right there. Ooh, look at the NSX. Ooh. NSX. Also, old car right here. But NSX. Oh my god, NSX. Ugh. Ooh. Yeah, there hasn't been much here, so might as well check out the NSX. This is pretty awesome. Wow, this is awesome. This would make a great pick, so I'm just going to show you guys around it, and then I'm going to get a really good pick for my faves today. Because this is definitely, especially in the lighting, yeah, this is awesome. This is really awesome. Look at that. Actually looked at the ST. You hear crackle in the distance. 350. Back behind. Yeah, look at this ST. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty good turnout, I will admit. But that would be a really good pick. Look at that. Yeah, that's a really good pick. Be right back. I don't know if that turned out. That was loud. That was definitely a roaring V8. That was awesome. Police leaving. Oh, no way. The police is going after him. No way. Dude, the police is going after him.
They're turning left though.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because they booked it.
The Challenger turned right.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been awesome footage right there.
I think that is.
Oh, like crackle
Oh,
though.
that's the other.
What? There's two M2s.
There's two?
He was talking.
Well, there must be two manuals because the other one is a manual.
That's sweet.
I'll talk to him. But yeah, we were talking about this.
Oh yeah, this is the guy that works at BMW. He got one because the customer didn't want it anymore.
Oh, you're right. Actually, he just told me about that. Yeah, the other guy just told me about that. You're totally right.
Head up there and talk to him.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
He's doing a Volsteiner, whatever.
Vorsteiner kit. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Man. I've
I
never
gotta find who
never
owns
seen the
that
difference. Apparently there's two. Though that's weird. How about there was just one? There's two. The only way you can tell the difference. Oh, there's a Shelby leaving. Is by that and that. That's the only difference. They're exactly the same inside out, but he's getting a Vorsteiner kit apparently. So stay tuned. Oh, got the California leaving too. Oh, listen to her. Apparently they're going left, so eat. Do it, do it, do it. Crackle! Got this. That's actually pretty cool.